We're gonna be all right in Oz. You know what I mean? Skippy. This is Skippy. But I still love Skippy.
And you honour his memory.
Yeah.
By wearing something which...
By wearing him on my
Yeah.
head.
It's not like something that Jamiroquai would wear.
On my noggin. We call it Skippy's noggin.
Hmm. Here's Vic playing the kalimba.
Yeah, the same note, almost.